Dear friends in Christ, this is the season of Christmas. As we are waiting for Jesus arrival, let us prepare ourselves meaningfully. Let's be in peace, our brothers and sisters. Let's go in peace.
ಸರ್ ಏ ಭುವನ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಆನ್
Albert, can you please drop me to my home? I have a bit pain in my leg. If at all you can't come to church, why are you coming? Sorry, I can't drop you as I am busy on my way. Hello, Peter ma'am. How are you? How is your health? I'm okay, but I have so much pain in my leg. It triggers me a lot. Oh, why are you taking such risks to come for church at this age? Come, I'll drop you by my bike. No, I will manage to go by. No, come. Savita, come here. See what I have bought for you. See this car, TV and fridge. This is all for you. This time our Christmas should be the grand one. All people should celebrate. Albert's Christmas is the grand one.
What a surprise, Albert. Am I dreaming or all this happening truly before me? No other lady is as rich as me in my locality. This time our Christmas will be the most grand one.
Daddy, did you bring my crib set? I have arranged for all other things. I am deciding where to get the manger, shepherds, cattle and kings. Give me quickly, I will arrange and then get ready for mass in the church. Sorry son, I forgot your crib set as I was busy buying these things. But see what I have bought for you. No dad, please, I want it at any cost. You know, my friend Praveen's crib looks so nice. Please bring it dad. See sir, the car, TV and fridge is not found in Praveen's house. Take this pant and your new shirt. Wear it.
Daddy, where is my new dress?
Take this. This is for you.
Wow, brother, look what a lovely dress my dad has brought for me. Is it nice?
Yes, it is nice. Tina, look at my new pant shirt. How is it?
Yes, it is nice too.
Dad and mom, poor thing. My friend Praveen doesn't have anything good to wear for this Christmas. Can I please give him my last year's birthday dress? See Praveen, when we bring new clothes, we can't give old clothes to anyone because it is not completely used. Mom, can I please give my last year's birthday dress to Praveen?
Ronnie, see my son, you must listen to what dad is suggesting. Come on, do what he says.
Come, let's all get ready for the church. Joseph comes in.
I was very happy to see you.
Maria. Where are our children? What are they doing?
Oh, your kids are very happily busy making the Christmas tree. They save every small coin from around the year for making the Christmas tree. Today they took their piggy bank in order to buy a new crib set.
Oh, what a beautiful kids I am having. They are so intelligent. They are saving their pocket money as I could not buy a crib for them. They are saving their pocket money and buying a crib at the last of the year.
I have ironed and kept your old shirt. It has some damages. Wear it carefully.
Oh, it's okay. I will manage it myself. What about you?
I'm having that old sari which you gave on my child's birthday. Is that okay?
It's okay. See, Sam has come.
Joseph, I want to ask you something.
Oh, ask.
I want to buy a gift set for my children. What can I do with this hand? The earning that my wife do by cleaning the other house is not sufficient for our daily needs. How can I fulfill my children's needs?
Sam, I think, see, I have hardly 150 rupees in my pocket. See whether you can buy a crib set for your children. Take it.
Thank you. I will repay it when it is possible.
It's okay.
Ronnie goes to meet his friend Praveen. I think I will give something to Praveen as a Christmas gift. Maybe I will buy him a new dress. Let me go to his home and make him happy. Ronnie goes to meet his friend Praveen, but with a set of new clothes. But on the way, he meets with an accident.
Doctor, is my son okay?
Don't worry, Albert. Now he is right. When he was caught, he was bleeding from his knee. If Praveen could have not donated him a blood, it would be difficult for him to survive.
Thank you, Praveen, for saving my son's life. Ask me what I want. I'll give you.
I don't want anything, uncle. My friend is that is enough for me.
Thank you, Praveen, for saving my son.
Joseph, today you have opened my inward size. Today I could realize that there is no value for richness and worldly things. Sorry. It's okay.
Dear Maria, your son taught us that money, gold and property is not more which make persons stay connected. But the true spirit of giving is to make us connect to everyone. We live proudly and thought money will save us. But being nothing, yourself, you proved that you are the most wealthiest person. Thank you for saving my son.
Come on, now let's all celebrate Christmas with joy. Come, let us all now enjoy with Christmas dance.
गाओ सब मिलके यीशु राजा आया है। देखो बैतलहम नगर में राजा यीशु जन्मा है। गाओ सब